All right. Yeah, I don't know how many people are going to be logging in to see this, but I've already gotten one successful flight with MiniDrak with the takeoff gear. I thought, what the hell? I'd go ahead and try and do another one, at least while there's nobody still here in the parking lot. So this way I can go ahead and have a nice clear run. Last time I just kind of did a nice little trim on the rudder, and I was able to get it to fly down the parking lot without any issues, and boom, took off, had some fun, and found out the battery wasn't really that charged up. So let me see if I can go ahead and get this going here.
.6 volts.
All right. Hey, Sean, you're gonna see your plane. So yeah, I already got a good flight on it, so I just have to give it a good taxi check, and if anything bad happens, it's going to happen on this flight here. Okay, yeah, see, I got another person driving into the parking lot now. I have to make sure that the rudder is going to be all centered up.
11.6 volts.
2D hold.
Speed mode.
2D, okay, there we go. Make sure everything else, I kind of flipped around a few things just to make sure. Didn't quite work out so well with the mini quad. I still need to trim it up, so. All right. The breeze is coming up a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to come by the cockpit. I'm going to do a pre-flight check, just to make sure. Right, left, right, up, down, tail wheel. All right, now we get lined up on the runway here.
.6 volts.
Yeah, a little bit of a breeze is coming up. Okay, and nobody's coming up behind me, so. Okay, here comes the fun part here. Make sure I'm going straight down. There goes the wheel dolly.
11.6 volts.
Go ahead and have some fun with this sucker. Remember, if I pilot in the ground, you get to see it first. Woo! Going something 65 mile an hour. Woohoo! All right. There's some people down there at the bottom of that one field, so I got to be really careful here. Fly over the trailer. There we go.
11.6 volts.
Oh, damn. Starting to get fuzziness in my video here. That's not good. All right. Yeah, it was just a quick one, just kind of make sure everything was working right. So.
$11.5 volts.
Man, it's working great. Now I finally get to look back. I guess only 2 people got to see this, or at least watching it live. But yeah, it landed. I was kind of getting some stuff going in and out, but it looked like somebody was walking down the middle of the field, and I got a bunch of other people up the top, so I had to kind of watch where I'm going up. Hopefully I can bring this out to Othello and go rip underneath the pylon. So yeah, it was a lot of fun with a MiniDrak boomer last time. So yeah, let me get out and I'll go get the MiniDrak. So bring a sucker along with. Imagine everybody's going to be seeing this a little bit later. So yeah, got the generator running. It isn't barely just sipping any gas. It's like 17 hours left to run on it. Let's have to power up the trailer for 17 hours, so that means more than a day. But you know, here's the ground station, here's the remote. It's going right to the trailer. Let's go ahead and get this sucker. Oh man, love it. That's the second time I've flown the sucker. All right, there it is. Second certified takeoff from the launch dolly, and that thing works awesome. As long as everything's lined up on the nose gear, it just streaks on down the runway. So yeah, that's about it. So all right, I'll talk to you soon. All right.